Now, you're going to make multiple sizes of rings. And I just think there's more variety and it looks nicer with variety. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your round nose pliers, and I think starting up here at the top, the thing with square wire and wrapping it is that you need to make sure that it does not twist on you. And if this time you leave the tail at the top, we can wind it all the way down and get multiple sizes. This time we're not trying to feed it off and keep one size. This is very hard to do with brass wire. It will be easy with your annealed silver wire. And you can see there it is twisting on me. If it starts to twist on you, take flat nose pliers and simply bend it around, flat again. Okay. Now I didn't get a bunch of smaller sizes with this one because this brass wire is so incredibly hard. Now, while it is like that, if you will put a sanding disc in your flex shaft or your Dremel, you can go ahead while it's all in a coil like this and you can sand it and sand out the tool marks. So if you'll see right there, there are tool marks. So while it's in a coil, it'll be much easier to just go ahead and sand those out. You can do that once you've cut it apart, but it's so much easier this way. Okay, now we're going to saw this apart. Now, I also made some rings, some silver rings. Using this mandrel on my bail pliers. So not only did I use the round nose pliers, I also used the small mandrel. Now you can make some even bigger if you like, if that's what you think would be pretty with your design. I'm going to give you free rein on that to make them as you would like. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut them apart. And I'm going to just leave a little tail here. You've seen me do this before. I'm going to bend that tail at a 90-degree angle, just like that. He may be too big to sit in there. He is. I'm just going to hold that. I'm going to put that in there. It's going to anchor against that. It's going to anchor against that and I'll be able to saw it out. It'll give me some stability. That way if your saw pops through, it won't pop your finger, hopefully. go.